Morning. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I'm coming to you today from San Diego, which is an absolute idyllic day with clear blue skies, 75 degrees, and no humidity, no extreme heat or anything like that. Well, I hope I made you jealous. Well, you can always come and be here with us. I would like to thank all my hundreds and hundreds of new viewers from Facebook, from LinkedIn, from Twitter, and more. All those of you who are living in San Diego who gave me your business cards to receive my weekly and daily health tips. It is extremely valued and I appreciate it, and I hope I can meet up to your standards. Today we are going to discuss something that is very, very pervasive in our society, and that is chronic, ongoing stress and anxiety. There are two types of stress, the good type and the not so good type. The good type of stress allows us to get up every day, go to the office, do our work, and live a normal, healthy life. Socialize, etc. That is a good stress, but the bad stress isn't. It is chronic ongoing stress which is manifests itself by many, many diseases, psychological and physical, and classically it results in a fast pulse, increased perspiration, inability to function, inability to sleep, and tension in all the muscles. Those are the usual signs. When one is chronically stressed, the immune system, the killer B, killer T, and immunoglobulins as they're called, become depressed. And when they are depressed, not you and you depressed, but yes, well, true for that for depression also, your immune system becomes compromised. And then psychological and or physical disease emanates. There are many chronic diseases which I will not discuss now because of time is of the essence, but suffice it to say that there are many diseases that emanate as a result of chronic ongoing stress and anxiety. This has a severe effect on the sufferer inasmuch as they are unable to function, or they function very poorly. Some of them do not sleep properly, or some oversleep. It results in weight gain or sometimes weight loss, migraine, headaches, fibromyalgia, and the list goes on and on. Now, hypnosis is a non-toxic, free of side effect method that you can help your chronic stress. Before you do that, I have seen so many people who suffer chronic stress and their nutrition is far, far below what it needs to be. Oftentimes they get up, they have pizza and beer for dinner, or sometimes hardly any dinner. Then they wake up, they grab a cup of coffee and maybe a slice of toast, and then they go to the office, running, stress. And then around 10, 11 o'clock, their blood sugar starts dropping and the stress really emanates. Maybe they'll have something for lunch, maybe not. So with low blood sugar, your stress is becoming aggravated. So what I tell all my patients, those who purchase the videos or those who I see in the office, to have an extremely nutritious eating program, because as you know, one of my areas of expertise are medical hypnosis, guided imagery, nutrition, and exercise. Nutrition is of extreme importance, and the way you should do it briefly is you have an adequate breakfast, you have a mid-morning snack, a decent lunch with chicken or salads. Your snack can be some celery with some peanut butter, or a quarter of an apple and 1 or 2 slices of orange, because less is more. It's better to have less of one type of fruit or vegetable and more of a variety. Lunchtime should be either fish or chicken with salad and some vegetables. You can prepare this at home if you want to brown bag it, as they say in the United States. Then you need to have a mid-afternoon snack consisting of some nuts of various types, specifically almonds, pistachio, and walnuts, because they are the healthiest, as they contain the healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and pistachio, because of the green color, has many antioxidants. Then at dinner, you come home and have a reasonably large dinner, although it shouldn't be your largest meal of the day. Breakfast should, then lunch second. Just by improving your nutrition and walking for 20 minutes to a half hour, preferably in daylight so you'll sleep better, walk, that's all you need to do. You can walk, of course, longer, and you can go to the gym, of course, but many people cannot afford to go to the gym, or for whatever, can't go to the gym. Just walk outside, and if the weather's inclement, go and walk in a mall. These are all things that one can do to prevent or reduce the chronic stress: nutrition and exercise. Then, of course, comes the hypnosis, because hypnosis functions through a system called PNI, psychoneuroimmunology. The psyche is your mind, the neuro is your brain, and the immunology is your immune system, as I mentioned earlier. So when the psyche is intact, the immune system is kept high, and physical and psychological ailments do not occur. The converse, of course, is true. When your PNI, when the psychoneuroimmunology, when you are stressed out, you have chronic anxiety, stress, tension, through the brain, your immune system comes compromised, and then you develop disease, physical and psychological, and your stress becomes aggravated. So these are holistic methods that anyone can do to help their chronic stress and anxiety. Hypnosis works physiologically through the PNI system because it assists you to help yourself raise your immune system, your immune globulins, your killer B and killer T cells, which are white blood cells, as I mentioned. And then all of a sudden, wow, your stress is markedly decreased. It is advisable to listen to the videos, as I tell my patients in the office, twice every day, so that you become empowered to help heal yourself. On my site, drmedicalhypnosis.com, is a video for stress. For those who are not stressed and want to have a relaxation, a real relaxation at the end of the day, hard day's work at the office or at work, the video titled Pain Reduction Preoperative and Pre-Dental Relaxation. Ignore the preoperative and pre-dental. What it is, it's a brain and body massage through hypnosis. You might say, what? A brain massage? How can anybody massage my brain? Go get the video, purchase the video, and then listen. And if you haven't had a brain massage, then you call me and I refund your money. Because what you do is you visualize your masseur or masseuse of choice. Visually, you see them massaging your brain, and I guide you during the whole process. I then guide you to continue with a touchless body massage. And all of a sudden, when you return to the here and now, you feel so relaxed. You cannot believe that the video only cost you some $90 or whatever it is. People who go for massage in San Diego, the charge is $85 to $90 plus a $10 tip, and after the first the treatment, it lasts for that day, and the next day or the day after they're feeling back to normal. Here you have something, folks, better than a massage. You have a brain and body massage via hypnosis, and all of a sudden you feel better. You can use it twice a day. You can get your massage twice a day or once a day, preferably at night when you want to relax, and you have it ad infinitum. It doesn't expire. Now, I want to show you a way, and I'll demonstrate it. We'll do it together. How you can treat stress immediately when you are stressed out. If possible, sit down in a chair away from the madding crowd, or if the madding crowd is about you, try and find a spot where there's not too much noise. Or even you can do it at your desk. I want you now to close your eyes and feel completely relaxed. You are relaxed. Your mind is void of any stress, anxiety, or tension. Relax your arms, your legs, your neck, your back. Relax. Go and visit now in your mind's eye your favorite place where you receive solace and relaxation, be it a forest, be it a beach. Visualize and appreciate the sounds of nature, the calmness of the spot, the warmth of the sun beating down on your body, or the cool waters that you find yourself in. Relax and stay there. Relax. You are becoming more and more relaxed. Now, breathe in together with me 6 times, breathing in fresh air through your nose and toxic air through your mouth. Begin. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are totally relaxed. The stress has dissipated. Open now your eyes. Return to the here and now, stress-free, and you are able to work. That, my friends, is just a sample, a minute sample of what the hypnosis process takes place for every and all illnesses, psychological and physical. We speak in a very calming, soothing way, not like I'm talking now. And that, the voice in and of itself, relaxes you. I see it every day in my office. Would you believe sometimes people fall asleep on the hypnosis couch? But that's okay. I still continue because the subconscious mind is far stronger than the conscious mind. And the people hear this. Aside from that, in my office, they are instructed to bring a cell phone with them, and I record it on the cell phone. They only see me once because I'm too busy to see people more. But what I do for them, and I will certainly do for any person who buys the hypnosis videos, I give complimentary weekly 15-minute telephonic consultations, and the patient decides when to quit. I don't. So I'm an empathetic physician, and it doesn't matter that I have to make 100 calls a day. I will do that, even if I start early to accommodate the West Coast, and I do Skype calls for all those people overseas who have purchased my videos. I do Skype calls with them. So there's all different ways how one gives the 15-minute complimentary office visits. I think for now I've said enough. Until next time we meet, my name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky from San Diego, California. My website is drmedicalhypnosis.com, and I thank you for listening to this YouTube video health tip. Thank you.